7 of our 30 days to a deal campaign using Facebook lead ads, okay, and using Facebook lead forms. The next campaign we will do next month, we will do Facebook lead ads, you sending it to a carrot page. So we'll do back to back. So here we are. So far we have 9 leads. All right, it's not doing so bad. We have a $25 a day budget, so we're not going crazy. We're not spending tons of money. Actually, one of the recommendations here is to spend more money. I don't always get that. You usually get that when your campaign is running good and they want to. Facebook thinks that spending more money will get you more leads. All right, I'm going to keep it at this just because that's what we're doing for the campaign, for this 30-day campaign. I'm not ready to change it just yet. Looking at the frequency, this is one of the metrics we look at. 1.86 means that like 86% of the people are starting to see the ads twice. All right. The key to my Facebook campaigns is usually to keep it close to 1. All right. So we're always going after new people. As it goes up to about 1.5, I usually cancel the campaign and move on, but that usually coincides with fewer leads. Right now, we're still getting leads, so we're going to keep it. All right, and we're getting leads at a good rate. All right, $18.39 a lead is really not bad. And lastly, we got a lead today, a woman in Illinois. She has a house in Texas that she's already bought, and she wants to leave today. Okay, so she's going to text me some pictures. I called the number, and she answered on the second or third ring. A legitimate seller. All right, of these 9 leads, I've gotten a hold of, I think, 6 of them. All 6 are legitimate sellers. One I got into contract, as I've said before in the other videos, but the contract fell through because the house is literally, it needs gasoline to match. All right, and the other 3 I haven't gotten in contact with. But what I'm trying to tell you is that Facebook lead ads give you real sellers, all right? All the business I've done this year so far has come from Facebook lead ads. Okay, so we'll come down over here. The other metric we look at is click-through rate all. Okay, click-through CTR all. We want that to be above 3. So that's been fluctuating between like 2.9 and 5. So 3.85, we're okay for that now. All right, so now we're going to go in and look at our ad sets, right? We're going to go check the ad sets. And let's take a view here and see. All right, just as what's happened is Facebook has dumped all its energy behind this ad set. Okay, I've had almost 4,200 impressions compared to 41, 45, 70, 80, right? It's putting everything behind it. All right, we've had all of our link clicks have come to that. Even though our click-through rate is a little bit higher on the other one, there's nothing, no actual link clicks. Okay, let's go over here. All of our leads have come from this. So like I said before, oftentimes what I'll do is I'll start to turn off the other ad campaigns, the other ad sets, but I've literally spent $2, $1.63, 90 cents, 95 cents. I'm not going to change the campaign and screw with the metrics. All right, so now we're going to do what we do every day. We're going to go into the ad campaign, and I want to see where our ads are working. We look at the image. Okay, so we've gotten 6 leads from this. Okay, so this picture is in this campaign because it's been good before. So what we'll do is I identify the pictures and the creatives that work, and we put them aside and we put them into other campaigns. If I know it works, let's keep it going. Okay, this is another one that seems to do kind of well. I've had a few leads from these on other campaigns. It resonates with people. Okay, at least the people that we're looking for. And these are more generic, but the Uniondale one has always gotten me a lot. Okay, this is just information to put in the back pocket. Now we're going to go to Dynamic Creative. We're going to look at text. And again, we need to buy a few properties this month is taking over, right? Always does. Is it really possible to sell a house? That's done a couple. Are you in a bind? Might be one of the first ones on that. These 2 here are my go-to, and this one always does. So now we've been running it for a while. Let us take a look and see if there is a particular day that we got more on, right? more. Okay. You know, I was hoping that would spread out. I want to see the date. Nope, nope, we won't do that. Okay. Nope. Don't need that. That's why. There we go. Trying to. I'm like, why is it showing me that weird view? Because I had multiple things picked. Okay. So we got 7, 7. 6, we got 2. All right, so we're pretty much even throughout the day, right? Through the days of the week. Now let's do platform and device. Facebook. All right, we got a couple from the audience network. No leads, though. The leads come from the whatchamacallit, from the news feeds. iPhone, Android, iPhone, split evenly down. Okay. One other one I'd like to look at. We only use one headline, right? And we only use one description. Let's see what the headlines are. Attention property owners, I can buy your house this month and sell your house quickly. Again, we'll keep all these together. I'll combine the best headlines, creatives, and texts and make that into the next campaign, especially in this area if we have to turn this off soon. If we go up too high on frequency or if we go too low on click-through rate, we will change the ad campaign. We'll send it to the same area. We'll fill it up with all of the best creatives and continue on. Hopefully we'll get a deal or two in the next few days. All right, until next time, have a great day.